Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to write a narrative paragraph. Make sure you have printed your writing workshop before watching the video. Let's start. What is a narrative paragraph? Well, it tells a story or relates an event. It communicates a series of events that happened usually in the past. It is kind of a memory. It has details that bring the story to life, so it is very important to include good adjectives to describe this story. It has movement and direction between ideas. And finally, is usually told in chronological order. This means that you need to include different kinds of linkers that talk about order. You can use first, second, then, any that you like. Now it's time to stop the video and complete activity number 2. When you're ready, play the video again. It includes 4 different elements. The first 2, a topic sentence. It is the first sentence of the paragraph. It gives context about the story and the opening situation. Then we have the beginning. It describes who the story is about, where it takes place, and what the problem or situation is. Then we have the middle. It fully explains the situation and sometimes illustrates the attempts at solving the problem. And finally, the end. It shows the solution to the problem. It also presents a reflection on the experience presented. And guys, the most important, the lesson learned. So make sure that when you're writing your story, you include what you learned from it. Let's stop the video again and complete activity number 3. When you're ready, play the video. Let's analyze this example together. What I want you to do is to identify the 4 elements in the narrative paragraph: the topic sentence, the beginning, the middle, and the end. So, are you ready? Let's read this together. My most embarrassing moment happened during a talent show at my high school. Many other students chose to play a musical instrument, do a magic trick, or tell a joke, but I decided to sing my favorite song. I had practiced the song for many weeks and could sing it perfectly. However, this day didn't go as I had planned. When my name was called, I walked on the stage and the curtains opened. All of a sudden, 300 people were watching me. I held the microphone, but my hands were shaking. Then the music started, and I forgot the lyrics and started crying. Finally, the audience tried not to laugh, but I was so embarrassed that I ran away. This taught me to be confident and face my fears. So, did you identify the 4 elements? Let's check it together. That's right. Good job. The green shows the topic sentence. The yellow shows the beginning. As you can see, the blue is the middle of the story. And finally, pink shows us the end. And remember what you learned. Now, let's identify these other elements. We are going to work on past simple and past continuous. Remember that narrative paragraphs are told in past, and we need to include these 2 important tenses. Also, pay attention to the linkers and to new expressions or words, adjectives that help the writer describe ideas better. Let's see. Good job. So as you can see here, we have all of different elements. Now it's time to stop the video and complete activities 4 and 5. When you're ready, press the play button. Let's see some other important information for you to be ready. An outline. Do you know what this is? Well, an outline is a plan for a writing project. It provides a map of where to go with the paragraph. It includes short phrases or keywords. And it helps the writer organize ideas. Remember, every time you're going to write, you need to do an outline before. Also, the qualities of a solid topic sentence. Remember, the topic sentence is the first part of your paragraph and it tells the reader what the paragraph is going to be about. It should be short. It should have a concise sentence that it should be between 15 or 25 words. The position, remember, it is always at the beginning, and strength. It needs to be complete. It should tell the reader why the story is important, why he or she should read your paragraph. Let's see these two examples. Remember, it should be short, interesting, and strong. Let's see another one. So now you're ready to write in class. Remember, take your writing workshop with the first 5 exercises and you're ready. See you in class.